Uh, in the last lecture, I did the random number and I asked you to do the same project using the vanilla JavaScript as we did here and email me the project. Only one student has done that and I did not receive anyone else. So we'll go through with that part, this part soon. Before that, I will show you something. I will do some other stuff and we'll do that in a bit. Now there are two very important functions of the array. I will be doing those functions. First function of the array is slice. Now, whenever we have array, for example, var array equal to, maybe I can say Delhi, Mumbai, Los Angeles, London, Pune. Let's say these are the cities in the array. Now we will use slice on this array. Now what does slice does? This slice method takes two arguments. One is called starting index and another is ending index, and it will return a new array between starting and ending index, excluding the ending index. So I'll tell you what it means. I'm just writing what it does. And here original array will not be modified. This also I will tell you what it means. Okay, so these are the 4 lines to understand what slice is. Now we'll see each one by one. Slice method takes 2 arguments. So if I want to slice this, I will create, for example, another array, array 2, and I'll take the array 1. So I'll say array, and I will use the slice. I'm using the slice method, and it takes 2 arguments. First is the index from where you want to start. So let's say if you want to start from Mumbai, so you will say starting index is, what is the index for this one? What is the index for Mumbai?
1.
1. So you will pass 1 in the first attribute, and second argument will be ending index. Let's say if I want to go till London. So if I put, it's a 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. If I put 3, it will exclude the ending index. So for example, if I put 3 London, then it will not take London, it will take till Los Angeles. So if I take 3, it will only take till Los Angeles because it will not take the last ending index. So if I put 3, it will not take the London because London is 3 index. So if I want to include London, what should I pass as a second parameter? What should be the second parameter? 4. Right, 4, because 4 will not be taken. That is, this one will not be taken. And till London if I want, therefore I put 4. If I put 4, it will take from Mumbai till London. So this 3 will be taken and put it in the array 2. And this array, original array will not be changed. It will be like this only. It will be not changed. It will not be modified. So whatever I am putting here, so Mumbai, Los Angeles and London will be assigned to array 2 but array, the current array will not be changed. It will be like that only. So let me press enter, and if I see array, it is the original array with all the values. And if I say array 2, it will take Mumbai, Los Angeles and London. So we are extracting the elements from one array and putting it in another array. That is called the slice. This is one example. I will give you a lot more example. So before I give you other example, you can write down this example in your notepad or anywhere, and then I will give you many such examples. I'll give you 2 minutes to finish this. Okay, so let's take few more example. I'll copy this and I will save it in our somewhere. So I will go in the JavaScript basics. In the arrays, I will just click a new file, maybe 007 slice.txt, and I will put this on. Okay, so this is the one example. Let's take few more example. So before moving to another example, let's take the syntax. Let's take the syntax for it. So one is I can pass slice, and I will pass the starting index, and second is slice, and I pass starting and ending index. So if I pass only the starting, let me show you once. Okay, if I take only the first parameter, for example, array 3, I will only pass the first parameter, that is the starting index. Then what will happen? It will take all the elements after that first index. So after 1, it will take all the elements. So if I pass 1, it will take Mumbai, Los Angeles, London and Pune, all the elements. Now what will be the answer if I pass like this? If I take pass 3, only 3, what will be the array 3 value? It will be London and Pune because I am passing 3. So after 3, that is 0, 1, 2, 3. After 3, all the elements will be passed into array 3. So I will say array 3 will be London and Pune. Okay, so everybody got the answer right. Let's take another example. I will create variable animals and I will put some animals here like ant. I don't know ant is animal or what, insect. Elephant, lion. What is spelling of lion? It is correct? Okay. Duck, camel. Okay, there are few animals here. This ant is insect. Let's put it in the animals only. Now you have to tell me the answer when I do. So for example, if I do animals dot slice, I will pass only 2. What will be the answer? Okay, lion, duck, camel. Everybody is right. Okay, so let's check it. Lion, duck, camel. Everybody is right. What will happen if I say animals dot slice 2, 4? Are you getting? I am getting answers. Okay, so don't worry. So if I say 2, 4, that is 0, 1, 2, and till 4, 4 means camel. That means camel is not included. We will be getting lion and duck. Okay, let me take var b, so it should not be visible. What will be the answer if I say animals dot slice 1, 5? Yeah, elephant, lion, duck, camel. Everybody is right in this. So I will do var c equal to. Now, okay, let me think. What should I put? Animals dot slice 3, 4. What will be the answer? Duck, right. Let's see. Double check it. Duck, right. Now here we have to note that what will happen if I pass a negative value. So for example, if I say d equal to animals dot slice, and if I pass only the starting value like -2, then since I pass -2, that means the starting index is from the end. So this is the -1 and this is -2. So when I say -2, it should be duck and camel. So answer should be duck and camel because I started with the -2. So let's see what is the D. It's a duck and camel. So if I say var E equal to animals dot slice -1. If I say -1, so it will be camel because camel is -1. So it will start index from the end. So -1 is something camel. Now you tell me what will be the answer if I say f equal to animals dot slice -3. What will be the answer for this? What will be -3? Lion, duck, camel. Lion, duck, and camel. Right. So everybody has given the right answer. Let's double check. It's lion, duck, and camel. Let's try to see the minus sign differently, little bit differently. If I say var g equal to animals dot slice, I will start with 2 and I will end with -1. So what do you think? I will start with the 2, 0, 1, 2 and end with the -1. So what will be the answer for this? It will start with the 2, end with the -1. Lion and duck. Right. Let's double check it. Lion and duck. Yeah. Everybody got right answer. Let's check some other one. Okay, let's take one more. I will create a car as an array and I will say my no wait. Okay, name of the car. Which car? Maybe I can say BMW and I will say Maruti. I will say Tata. Okay, just put this one and I will say car dot slice var x equal to car dot slice. I'll start with 0 and end with 2. What will be the answer? Yeah, Manpreet is asking why not camel and Rakesh answered -me, the last index which is not included, right? Everything. Yeah, so for this it will be everything because it starts with 0, end with 0, 1 and 2. No, it will start with 0 and it will not be whole everything because no Tata, right? No Tata. That's the X. Yeah, because 2 will not be included here. Correct. Okay. Now let's do so this slice also works in the string case and we will be taking some example for the string one. So for example, I will create one string str equal to the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Okay. So if I see star dot length, we have 44. Okay, so there are 44 characters in this line. Let's do the slice on this one. So I'll do var a equal to str dot slice. I will start with the let's say I will start with the 4 number and end with the 9 number. What will be the answer? Quick, quick. Right, quick. Let's check it. So we have the quick. Now I'll take another one, var b equal to str.slice. I will start with the -9 and end with the -5. What will be the answer? Lazy. The answer will be lazy because start with the -9, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, -9, and it's going to -5. That is -8, -7, -6, -5. That is up till here. Why? So answer will be lazy. B is lazy. So we can manipulate same way here like we did in array. We can do it in the str also. Okay. So both have the same way of writing it. I will create a page of notes for this slice and you can go through it. Okay, that's all about today about the array function of the slice. Tomorrow I'll do another function of the array. So this slice is very important in array. All the functions in array are very important. So just remember slice for today. Do some practice of the slice. Now let's try to build the project which I told. But let's see, one person has sent me the project which we did here. Let's see what he has written. Maybe it may not be working, but let's see what he has done. So I will go in my JS projects. I will create a new folder, project 0002. You can also create a project 2 inside JS projects. We have to create another project folder, and inside that we will create index.html. I will also create another HTML page of whatever he has sent. So let me see who has sent it. Let me see who has sent it. Only one has sent me. I want to see who is the person. Who sent me that? Okay, Rakesh. Rakesh Pandey has sent me. Okay, let's see what he has done. I will open his file. Okay, let me copy this. I will create another file called as rakesh.html and let's see what he has done. Okay. So he has created the title, then the header. 1 second. Okay. So he has created the random number and number is 0 and he's calling on click. I have not told you to use this way, but he has created. It's okay. Let's see. And then he has called the random number and he's whenever we click the button, random number is called where he's saying document dot. I also told you not to use this one, use the selector. But he has tried. It's good he has tried. Nobody has tried it. This is the random function he has created. Okay. Okay. So he has tried nicely. Let's see if it is working. I'm not sure it will work correctly, but let's see what it gives. Okay, let me open the file. Okay, let's see what my console is giving. Okay, yeah, it's working. It's working. So he has used his way. You know, there are a number of ways to write program. Though he has not followed what I showed you in my first example, but he has done his own way and it is working correctly. I'm getting random number. That's good. And he has used his own way. It's fine. You can use any way. Uh, but I will show you my way also. But I want everybody to do this project and return me. So I will not do this project today. I will do it tomorrow once I get few responses from other students and only he has given me the answer. Okay, one person don't know the assignment. Okay, so what we will do? I will check. Okay, I will check tomorrow who will be sending the project. So at least he has tried. It is good, and nobody has even tried it. Okay, what we have to do? Whatever we did, random number in the React, we have to do same project in the vanilla JavaScript. Okay, that's the task. Yes, I will show you add event listener only. My whenever I will do tomorrow, I will do using event listener and query selector. Maybe he was getting some error here, so he stopped using this and he did it this way. So at least he has tried. This is also not a wrong. This is his way of doing, which is not wrong. And I will show you my way of doing it. So you can do one project in 10 different ways, and every way is right. So whatever he has done is right. We will do in different way tomorrow, but I want few more answers from you. Only one person has replied, and that means other people are not taking interest in doing the project. So let's do this tomorrow. Okay, any questions now? Simple JavaScript. Vanilla is something you don't use any framework. You write down your own code of JavaScript, and simple is also same. If you use framework, React or Angular, that is not vanilla JavaScript. That is you are using React or you are using jQuery. You are not using the core JavaScript code. When you use core JavaScript code, that means no external library, no external framework. That is called vanilla JavaScript. So this is DOM. When we use query selector, we are manipulating the DOM. Whenever we use document.query selector, it is the DOM manipulation. Okay. Any questions?
Did